Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dream Speak English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Today, we have a very special story for you, a mother and daughter's school story called The Starlight Dress.
That's right, Jack. This story is perfect for A2 level learners who want to practice English listening with a warm, real life story.
Are you ready to hear the story?
Ready? Let's begin.
Anna is a young girl who loves school. She is excited because there is a big school show next week.
Anna's mother is very proud of her. She helps Anna prepare for the show.
Anna smiles and says, "Yes, Mom, I'm practicing every day."
But one day, Anna feels sad. She lost her main part in the show.
The teacher chose another girl, Chloe, because she is louder and more confident on stage.
Anna feels like she disappeared. Chloe said Anna is too quiet and people will get bored.
Anna's best friend, Lily, didn't talk to her that day. She sat with Chloe and laughed.
Anna didn't want to go home feeling sad, so she stayed somewhere safe.
Her mother comforts her and says, "You don't have to talk right away. You can cry with me."
Anna's mother reminds her that courage can be quiet, too.
Anna wants another chance to show what she can do.
The teacher agrees to let Anna practice after school with Mr. Reed.
Anna is scared but brave. She practices slowly and honestly.
Mr. Reed tells Anna, "You tell a story when you move. That is rare."
Anna learns that confidence comes from being true to herself.
On the day of the show, Anna feels nervous but ready.
She remembers her mother's words and finds her own way to shine.
Anna's performance is different from Chloe's, but it is beautiful and full of courage.
The judges give Anna the first prize.
Anna thanks her mother for the starlight dress that gave her courage.
Her mother smiles and says, "You shine because you believe."
This story teaches us that courage and confidence come from within.
And that being yourself is the best way to shine.
Let's practice some useful phrases from the story. Repeat after me.
I'm practicing every day.
I feel sad.
I want another chance.
You can cry with me.
You shine because you believe.
Great. Now let's practice a short conversation about courage.
I'll be Anna and you be a friend. I'm scared to perform on stage.
It's okay to be scared. You are brave for trying.
Thank you. I will do my best.
Now that we've heard Anna's story and practiced some phrases, let's talk about how you can use these lessons in your own life.
That's right, Sarah. Everyone faces challenges and fears, but the key is to keep trying and believe in yourself.
When you feel nervous about speaking English or trying something new, remember Anna's courage. It's okay to be scared. Courage is moving forward despite fear.
One way to build confidence is to practice speaking every day. Talk about your feelings, your plans, or your experiences.
You can start with simple sentences like, "I feel nervous," or "I want to try again."
Another tip is to find a supportive friend or teacher to practice with, someone who encourages you and helps you improve.
Also, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning and growing.
Let's practice a few more useful phrases from Anna's story. Repeat after me.
I'm scared, but I'm brave.
I want another chance.
You can cry with me.
I'm proud of you.
You shine because you believe.
Great job. Using these phrases will help you express your feelings and encourage others.
Now, let's practice a conversation where you encourage a friend who is nervous.
I'll be the friend and you be the encourager.
I'm nervous about my English test tomorrow.
It's okay to be nervous. You've prepared well and you will do great.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Remember, positive words can make a big difference.
Before we finish, here are some tips to help you practice English speaking and listening every day.
Tip 1. Listen to English stories and repeat sentences out loud.
Tip 2. Practice speaking with friends or language partners.
Tip 3. Record yourself and listen to improve your pronunciation.
Tip 4. Use new phrases in your daily conversations.
Tip 5.
Stay patient and keep practicing regularly.
Thank you for joining us today on Dream Speak English. If you liked this lesson, please subscribe and hit the like button.
Share it with friends who want to improve their English speaking and listening skills.
Leave a comment telling us about a time you felt brave or overcame a fear.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye.